Payment failures can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve these issues quickly on Koofr. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix payment problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your credit card or payment account is active and not expired. Step 2. Review account information. Log into your Koofr account and check that all your billing information is correct. This includes your name, address, and payment details. Any discrepancies can lead to payment failures. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can interfere with payment processing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try making the payment again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, switch to a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is related to your current setup. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures on Koofr quickly and efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.